With entering college comes a lot of new steps in life for everyone. For some people, this may include getting their first apartment or their very first job. For others, this may include becoming sexually active for the first time. This is a subject that many young adults do not have as much knowledge on as they think they do. In college, you should be able to have fun and learn to take care of your health. This includes sexual health too. To begin, you must have clear communication with your partner. Communication is key when it comes to having sex at any age. Consent always must be obtained by an enthusiastic yes from your sexual partner. This needs to not only be communicated verbally, but also through their body language. Even if you are dating them, have had sexual relations before, or have consented to one act earlier, does not mean that you have to consent to anything else or cannot take away consent at any time. Consent is something that must be asked for every time and can be stopped at any time. Once you have agreed to have sex consensually, you need to make sure that you are protecting yourself. Protection is important to ensure that you and your partner stay healthy. Barriers against sexually transmitted infections include internal and external condoms, as well as dental dams. You can find these from your residence assistant, your student wellness center, or the local health department, usually for free or at a very low cost. It is also important to know your STI status. You always want to talk with your partner about their status before engaging in any sexual act, as well as getting tested yearly at your doctor's office or your student health office if they offer that. Lastly, it must be understood that sex is not a one size fits all type of action. Focusing on the destigmatization of sex helps in feeling happy and healthy, both physically and mentally. It's normal to have sex, as long as it is consensual in between adults. It's also normal to not want to have sex, whether it be for a short or a long period of time. Just because other people you know are having sex in college does not mean that you need to feel pressured to as well. To summarize, sex is an entirely normal and healthy action amongst college students. It is necessary to talk about it to ensure proper behaviors, including obtaining consent and staying protected. Destigmatizing sex, both the presence and absence of it, can also help students with their mental health. This is especially helpful as sex is rarely talked about in high school, aside from abstinence. As Maya Yamanouchi once said, safe sex is an act of self love.